In this video, we shall solve the limit as x approaches infinity of the xth root of x. Now in this case, the exponent is 1 and the index is x. So this can also be written as the limit as x approaches infinity of x raised to the power of 1 over x. And from the rules of exponents, we know that whenever you have e to the power of natural log of a, this is equal to a. Therefore, if you have e to the power of natural log of x raised to the power of 1 over x, this will be equal to x to the power of 1 over x. So we shall replace this with that. So this will give us the limit as x approaches infinity of e to the power of natural log of x raised to the power of 1 over x. And from the rules of natural logarithms, we can take this to the front. This will give us the limit as x approaches infinity of e to the power of 1 over x times natural log of x, which is the same as the limit as x approaches infinity of e to the power of natural log of x divided by x. Now at this point, what should we do? What we need to do is apply L'Hopital's rule. So we shall differentiate the numerator with respect to x and also differentiate the denominator with respect to x. What do you get when you differentiate natural log of x? Whenever you have the derivative of natural log of u, this will be equal to u prime divided by u, where u prime is the derivative of u. So in this case, u equals to x, and if you differentiate x, u prime will be equal to 1. Therefore, the derivative of natural log of x will be equal to u prime, which is 1, divided by u, which is x. So this will be equal to the limit as x approaches infinity of e to the power of 1 over x divided by the derivative of x, which is 1, which is also equal to the limit as x approaches infinity of e to the power of 1 over x. Now as x approaches infinity, 1 divided by x will become 1 divided by infinity. So in this case, we have 1 and it is being divided by a very big number. Therefore, 1 divided by infinity will approach 0. Therefore, the limit as x approaches infinity will be equal to e to the power of 0. And we know that any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So this will be equal to 1. And that's our answer. So that's all for today. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.